Welcome to our guide on using online CRM systems. In this video, we'll explore what CRM is and why it's crucial for your business success. Choosing the right online CRM can be overwhelming. Let's look at the key features that will help you make the best decision. Now that you've chosen your CRM, let's walk through setting up your account step by step. It's time to import your existing data. We'll show you how to migrate your contacts and leads seamlessly. Organization is key. Let's explore tagging and segmentation techniques that keep your contacts easy to manage. Tracking interactions is essential for meaningful relationships. Here, we will utilize notes and activity logs effectively. Let's simplify your workflow with automation features. We'll set up tasks and email campaigns for you. Enhance your CRM's functionality by integrating with other tools. We'll show you how easy it is. Analyzing data is crucial for better decision-making. Let's dive into generating comprehensive reports. Finally, we'll cover best practices for ongoing CRM management to keep your system running smoothly.